All my life, I love the idea of creating videos. As far as I'm aware, I look like I got a routine to create some great ideas for being a computer wizard. I always dreamed to be a millionaire. I'm Sammy Turner, and I'm 17 and suffered with autism, which is known as special needs or extra. Unfortunately, due to this, I have problems for sending films to short film competitions. The first time I ever sent my short films, it was when I entered my film The Story of the Vegetable Man to the Southend Film Festival 2012. I could have done more if it wasn't for the Southend Film Festival 2012, because without me entering my film, The Story of the Vegetable Man, I wouldn't have been able to be that more popular. So it's then that Mary Wallerton had asked me to offer to send a film to the Southend Film Festival 2012. After the Film Festival 2012 was finished, they decided to do a Horror on Sea film festival out in 2013, and I got invited with my mum, dad and Mary Wallerton. And we had a fantastic time looking at fake trailers featuring horror movies, and even my film Ultimate Black Day was entered at the Southend Film Festival Horror on the Sea. Basically, when I was just a little teenager, I come to the great idea of creating hobbies like creating animations and all that kind of sort of stuff, like painting on the windows, which is simply best for me. And I feel like it's better than just doing it by drawing or painted by hand. And I feel like when I was joining the performance class, LDF, I haven't just come popular, I only just come new to the LDF. Basically, the teachers there were very proud of me, but even though they're so suspicious, even every time I keep apologising, because I actually don't realise that I was actually directing or when they're doing performing. However, because of my talents, I felt very good, and I've awarded the most amazing award ever, the Jack Petchey Achievement Award in 2014, ever since I became the most improved and best student in the 6th form of Treetop School. And I feel like I should be proud of myself, because if it wasn't for the 6th form staff, my mum Jackie, my dad Barry, as well as my respite called My Time in Hadley, I would have become this far. And I feel like I should thank you all for helping me achieving this award in 2014. My life has changed ever since I've been down to college, and I go to Saturday, Wednesday and Tuesday club L'Art Does Fantastic for singing and drama as well as acting, and it makes me feel like I got new family and friends. I've met Michael Casey many times, and he loves my work I do on computers. Hopefully he will support me when I become 18 years old. And I hope you is very proud of what I've wrote today and what I have achieved in the last year of Treetop School, because I'm still proud of myself, and everyone around me is proud of me too, even my girlfriend Kay Reed, and I really love her so much indeed, and she's very proud of myself. I don't know what else I'm supposed to say, but it's a big thank you for those who support me, my family, for all the hard times I had in my life. A bless to you all, and love from Samuel Richard Chadder Turner. God bless you, Jack Petchey.